Hey, what's up? Welcome to a little bit of everything, and I'm Frank. I'm at my friend's house, and as you can see, this is the closet I just finished for her, and here is before photo, and now that's how it look like. And so her request is basically a lot of hanging area, like hang your clothing area, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So because she's too lazy to fold her clothing, so a lot of hanging clothing space. So this is one, and then the last one is here. So, and also I also make a lot of adjustable shelf area. Like now is not using as an adjustable shelf. We only have 2 shelves here. But as later on in the future, if she wanted, and this is all adjustable, and then this bottom piece, there's another drawer, and all the drawers all closed, and then this compartment is for all of her electronic stuff, such as iPads, because we just finished, so it's still a mess right here. We will decorate it later. And then this is a huge slide, huge drawer slide. So they are soft close. This is 4 huge drawers.
So those drawers are basically, you can see there are 4 compartments over here. Those drawers are mainly for the items like socks.
Sock? You need to have like 1,000 socks to fill this up.
Stop talking, okay?
Well, like those 4 are huge. Whatever she want to put it in. So I have 2 smaller ones. Maybe these are for socks. Like.
So basically on the left hand side over here, there are 2 drawers on the bottoms. They are hanging area for the long clothing over here. So I can put my long dress like gowns or jackets over here. And there are 2 hanging area in the middle. So top and the bottoms. And you can see the LED light is super cool. And then the color actually changes. Oh.
Gotta turn it on, right? By the way, this is the Yeelight. It's by Xiaomi, the Chinese company. Now we put a link down below. They sell on Amazon and AliExpress. I think AliExpress is $10 cheaper. So I mean, for price point wise, they will basically like half price of Philo Hill, but they basically do the same thing. So I'm very happy with them. I use them a lot. So they were Apple HomeKit capable, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, basically all the smart home capable. Anything you want to add on? Basically, I just finished the molding right here. Like you can see, I still have some touch up to do. Just paint it, but still waiting for the silicone to dry, so I've not been able to paint it. And some imperfections right here, like something like that. But after I paint it, you won't be able to see it. So basically, so this is the first project I've done for her, right? Coming along, I will do an office space for her, office / entertainment, reading area, something like that. So you guys can stay tuned, and I'm waiting for that too. And let's turn the light on. Anything you want to add? Forgot one more thing. So this compartment, including the molding, 21 inches deep. Why I'm doing that? Because like you see here, I have a hanger clothes here. Like some of the closet you buy from Home Depot, maybe from whatever department store, like the clothing, when you hang the clothing, and they will like half of them out of the closet. So what I want to do is I want them to be inside the closet when you hang your clothes. That's why I make it to be 21 inches deep. Of course, you're gonna use a little bit more material because when you're using 16 inches or 15.5 inches, so you could better use of a 4x sheet plywood. But this is better. I think it's more function. It look better. And overall, the cost is around $550 to $600, and I did basically price it out a little bit in IKEA, and you basically have to pay more or less, or maybe even more, to get something like that. And they're not, I mean, they're not half strong as this thing. I mean, I can go look at this. I can stand up on it because it's all 3/4 plywood, and they're pretty strong. And another thing is just because it's custom made, so it fit all the area, and all of the area are usable. So it's better off that you buy from a department store or something like that. So anything you want to add on, customer? I think she's very happy.
Customer satisfaction 9.9 out of 10.
9.9, so it's very good. By the way, she's not paying me any money. So. Alright, stay tuned for the next project, and I think we are done here. So I'll see you next time. Bye.